everybody. We are going to go down to Divisadero, which is like a block away, and then we're going to ride this up that road, because I'm going to show you guys how steep it is. Once we get up there, we're going to be up in like Billionaire'S Row. 1, 2, 3, like 5 hills, maybe 6.
This road will take us to Billionaire'S Row. Divisadero is pretty steep. Bring your walking shoes. When the 1906 San Francisco earthquake and fire wiped the city clean, the wealthy stood around the burned rubble of their Nob Hill homes and took a cool, hard look at San Francisco Bay. The best view in the city was in Pac Heights, and with that swath of real estate now up for grabs, the big money built there and settled in. Through the Great Depression and both World Wars, the residents of Pac Heights built mansions in an ex-frontier town that now has the median sale price of more than $1.12 million, according to Trulia. Today's buyers have given this slice of San Francisco the name Billionaire'S Row, and those billionaires include a lot of tech names mingling with San Francisco's old money crowd. William P. Getty, grandson of oil tycoon J. Paul Getty, and his wife Vanessa listed their 8,675 square foot home for $15.9 million in May of 2014. After a few price chops, it eventually sold for $12.5 million in July of 2015. Over the last 5 years or so, a wave of wealthy tech buyers have made their mark on the neighborhood. Many say this is because of the influence of San Francisco's social king, Trevor Trania, who founded several startups, including If Only and Driver's Side.
Alrighty, I'm in Lower Pac Heights, pretty much at the top of San Francisco right now. Anywho, all of these houses up here are probably worth anywhere from, I'm gonna say on the low end, like 15 million to the high end, 40. Like the houses on this road alone, just watch this, guys. That's a nice house. That's a nice house. Like that's a new ultra modern house. Looks pretty legit. That house is amazing. Old school. Old school. Now you guys can see how far back these houses go. There's like 20 rooms in some of these houses. It is unreal. And then on the other side of the street, you got these mansions. Just look at these monsters. Alright, we're gonna ride. Those are all houses. Oh my god. Oh, that's a mansion. That's a mansion. Look at that freaking building. That is a house. I didn't even know this house existed in this city. The house. There's another giant house. Like, look at this ridiculous thing. Yeah, like these houses look like full-on buildings that, like, I'd go to. It looks like a school.